Nature, man, you're so beautiful.
Right. 1920 local farm, Mr. Hume found several stone coffins. Ooh.
Interesting.
Yeah, so I think we're really strong.
Hopefully you could see there's a duck in the pond. Duck in the pond. Lovely day today, honestly. Nature, man, you're so beautiful. Right, guys, we're away to do our last boat in this river, I think.
We'll just put it in here, shall we?
Here goes. Am I doing it or are you doing it?
I need to sail the boat. Well, it's got a bit of a hole in it. Right, where should we put it? Just down here.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know how to do it.
I'll
well,
go
you know,
down.
see, you'll fall in, Chelsea. Look, there's a wee bit of a, like, you can put one here. There's a wee bit down here you can do it.
Here goes nothing.
Space boat.
So long, Spizzer.
Help me, bro. Oh, help me, help me, bro. Help me. Help me, help me, help me. There we go.
Well, guys, unfortunately, I think the boat's stuck because of Bro. He made the boat stuck. So, let's go in and ask him why. Bro, why did you do that? Why did you make it stop?
Well, you better get enough of it.
No, you did it.
It's stuck, unfortunately. Well, 3 are probably still sailing away, so that's all that matters. Nature, man, you're so beautiful.
Right.
Well, guys, today, I'll be there in a minute. Well, today, I was just going to have a little look at these weird and wonderful things. I don't know what this used to be. It's just lots of old junk and that. So I just wanted to have a little look, and hopefully you were not like there's this. I don't know how to work it, but there's that. And there's this. Weird and wonderful things, you know. Wasn't me. Nature, man. You're so beautiful. So, guys, we found another geocache.
Yeah.
So, me and Jag found it this time
Very
instead
exciting.
of. Yeah, very exciting. We found one of these. They're like a sticky thing. There's the packet.
They've all got names.
Dumb lady.
Should be a name on the packet.
Oh, right, okay, let's see what it doesn't say.
No.
Oh well. Well, let's call it
We'll give it a name. Purple fin.
Rosie. We'll call it Rosie. So we found a nice Rosie in the geocache, and we replaced it with a Swiss card. Nature, man, you're so beautiful. We found some hedgehogs here. There's one, and there's two. 2 hedgehogs. We'll call them Hetty and Harry.
Hedge and hog.
Yeah, Hedge and Hog. Hedge and Hog, the hedgehogs. Thank you. It's been a great day so far, guys. Great. Even though we have bumped into people on the way, still been fabulous. What a cute little doggy. Nature, man, you're so beautiful. Well, guys, we found this sort of weird place. God knows what it is, but
Are they made of wood?
yeah, it's made of wood. It's a weird place. Dream catchers, is that what you think it is?
I don't know.
Okay.
I think it's got a minute on it.
Bro's thinking there's it's some sort of dream catch.
Are these like green cactus? Oh no, they're made of wood, so I'm not sure what they are. Excellent.
Just walking across.
You alright? What's on the other one? What's squiggly worm things?
Nature,
Push off.
man. You're so beautiful.
Perfect, right.
There might be some birds in there nesting. Okay, so we have to keep the noise down. But this place, it looks like a little playground. But it's not, honestly. Look, there's like this little thing here, but I don't know what it does. It was like over there we found some sort of booby trap or something. Like for rabbits or that, like a booby trap. Oh, and there's another spitting image of Grandma. Spiz card. Go Spiz! And there's like little log things. Log things that were just
Oh yeah,
something.
no.
Excellent. And there's Bro. Bro. And there's Jag. And then we have Jag. Jag with makeup on. We'll have Jag. And let's go over and see Bro's twin brother.
Here he is, look, it's just like Bro.
Bro's twin brother.
Got no hair, got blue eyes and big red lips and funny body. So this is very
Well,
very
you're
similar
over
to
there
Bro.
if you want to go meet yourself.
Yes, I know, we don't do that.
There's no me's yet, but there's a Grandma, there's a Bro, and there's a Jag. But of course there's no me because I'm way too pretty to be a tree hugger. Way too pretty. Well guys, I've got really exciting news. I just think we're back because it looks like Grandma, come here for a minute. Could you tell us if we're back? Okay, so
I've only got a wee bit to go now.
we've only got a little bit to go now, so we're back.
We are back.
We are back.
Just think of the great as an adventure.
I am.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
Set myself in challenges.
I'm taking the Mickey out of the garden here.
I'm taking the Donald Duck out of you.
What?
Cheese again.
What?
Hey?
What?
Is it? Oh, I'm gonna wipe all the files.
Oh, no, you're not.
Well, you,
So guys, we're heading back to the car to get something to eat. I'm starving after that walk. What have you got for us, Gordon?
well, it's just as well I really made something, isn't it? While you lot were lounging around in your bed. I've got. I can't remember now. Oh no, I made myself a cheese roll, but I didn't make anything for anybody else. Sorry.
He's lying. He made us. Because Gordon is the best granddad ever.
Oh, look at you.
Because Gordon is the best granddad ever.
Oh, look at you.
Because Gordon is the best granddad ever.
Oh, look at you.
Well, folks, we're finally at the car park. My ankles are aching, honestly. Oops. Oh, never wait to have something to eat. Then it's playtime. Well, folks, I'm sitting here eating the half of my bowl because we had to half them, and then we're gonna see what else I've got because Gordon said there's biscuits, flakes, and crisps. So it's like a mini picnic. Nature, man, you're so beautiful.
Perfect, right.